Light bulb security cameras have emerged as an innovative solution that combines functionality with discrete monitoring. These devices are designed to blend seamlessly into any environment while offering advanced security features. Here, we review the top 5 light bulb security cameras of 2024, highlighting their key features and benefits. 5. Alkivision 362K Light Bulb Security Camera. The Alkivision 362K light bulb security camera stands out with its impressive 2K resolution, providing crystal-clear video quality. Its 360-degree panoramic view ensures comprehensive coverage, leaving no blind spots in your surveillance area. The camera supports night vision, motion detection, and two-way audio, allowing for real-time communication. It also offers easy installation, screwing into any standard light bulb socket, making it a convenient choice for enhancing home security. 4. LaView 362K Light Bulb Security Camera. LaView's 362K light bulb security camera offers exceptional video clarity with its 2K resolution, ensuring detailed footage. The camera features a 360-degree field of view, motion detection alerts, and infrared night vision, which ensures round-the-clock monitoring. Its two-way audio system is ideal for communication, while the easy setup process means it can be installed in minutes by screwing it into any standard light socket. 3. EverSecu 362K Light Bulb Security Camera. The EverSecu 362K light bulb security camera combines high-resolution video quality with ease of use. Its 360-degree panoramic view ensures no area goes unwatched, and the night vision capability keeps your property secure even in complete darkness. Motion detection and real-time alerts keep you informed of any unusual activity. The camera's two-way audio allows for direct communication with anyone in its vicinity. 2. Symynelec 362K Light Bulb Security Camera. Symenelec's 362K light bulb security camera offers robust security features in a sleek design. It boasts a 2K resolution for clear and detailed video, a 360-degree viewing angle for extensive coverage, and infrared night vision for effective low-light monitoring. The camera also includes motion detection and instant alerts, ensuring you are always aware of any potential security breaches. Its two-way audio system facilitates easy communication, while the simple screw-in installation process is a significant advantage. 1. LaView 362K Light Bulb Security Camera. The LaView 362K light bulb security camera tops our list with its superior video quality and comprehensive feature set. It provides a 2K resolution for crisp and clear footage, a 360-degree panoramic view for complete area coverage, and night vision for around-the-clock security. Its motion detection and instant alerts keep you promptly informed of any activity, while the two-way audio allows for real-time communication. The camera's easy screw-in installation makes it a user-friendly option for enhancing your home security. Light bulb security cameras offer an innovative and discreet solution for home surveillance. Each of these top 5 cameras provides excellent video quality, comprehensive coverage, and essential security features. Whether you prioritize ease of installation, advanced motion detection, or high-resolution footage, these options cater to various needs, enhancing the safety and security of your home. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this one. Thanks for watching.